Okay, go. Story Train by SS Infotek. Kind of loud, huh? Okay, good.
What should I hit?
You hit stories or activity. It says click select to create your own coloring or writing page, or click the arrow buttons to select the drawings, alphabets, or numbers. Press select. My page, so you can draw. Let's see. Draw us a star. Oh, you do it the funny way, huh?
Yeah.
Good job. Okay. How do you undo something if you mess it up? Go on, try again. Which button do you think you hit? Oh, eraser? Okay. Okay. Alright, let's go back and see if the stories are. Go home, the stories. Okay, pick that one.
Jumbo and his friends.
Do you want to read it yourself or read it to me? Have it read it to you. Okay.
Hi, my name is Lori, and I want to tell you a story. Are you ready? All right, let's start. Once upon a time, there was a lonely elephant in a forest named Jumbo. Jumbo was a very kind elephant, but he did not have any friends. One day, Jumbo went to search for friends in the forest.
What do you think you do now? Turn the page, maybe?
On his way to the forest, Jumbo saw a monkey in a tree. "Will you be my friend?" Jumbo asked the monkey. The monkey said,